Welcome back. Have you been finding it hard to sleep with everything that's been going on in the world? Well, holistic nutritionist Andrea Donsky joins us now with things to do that will help you go to bed with ease and get a good night's sleep. It is so crucial. Andrea, it's so good to have you here to help us out. What do we need to do to get some sleep?
Yes, thank you, Tracy. Well, so many of us aren't getting our 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night, and it's taking a toll on our body. Sleep is important for so many things, including healing our body, weight management, and even mood. So there are certain things that we can eat, snack on before bed that help us fall asleep and make us feel a little bit sleepier. These foods contain tryptophan. Tryptophan is an amino acid that helps to make serotonin and melatonin in our body. Serotonin is a feel-good neurotransmitter that helps us sleep better, and melatonin is that sleepy, calming hormone that's released when we're falling asleep and when we're asleep. So think about after you have a Thanksgiving meal, right? You're eating a lot of turkey, you feel pretty tired after. That's because turkey has tryptophan, as does beef, walnuts, eggs, chocolate, and pumpkin seeds. But if you find that snacking on these aren't making you sleepy enough, you can try something like Zenbev. Zenbev is made with pumpkin seed flour, and they use a special variety of pumpkin seeds that come from Europe. And it's been clinically proven to help us fall asleep and stay asleep. It was formulated by a doctor, and it really works. Now, another mineral that I really love because it's so good at helping us relax, but unfortunately 70 to 80% of us are deficient in it, is magnesium. Now, magnesium is important because it's known as a calming mineral, but also as we're stressed, we deplete magnesium from our body. And when magnesium is depleted, we become more stressed. So it's that vicious circle. And studies show that people who are depleted in magnesium actually have sleep issues. So we really want to make sure that we're getting enough magnesium in our daily diet. So you want to include foods like avocado and kale, cashews, almonds, artichokes, and bananas. So you can eat those foods on a regular basis to make you feel a little bit more relaxed. Now, there's also beverages that we can take that help to relax us and make us feel calm as well. Chamomile tea is really well known for its sleep-inducing properties, as is passion flower and lavender. Chamomile has glycine, again, that helps to relax us, and lavender has mild sedative properties that helps to just calm us. And passion flower has been shown to help with insomnia. So you can have a cup of tea about an hour before going to bed. I also like to have coconut water because coconut water has magnesium and it has potassium. Potassium can help promote a deeper sleep. Something that I love to have before I go to bed, and something I've been giving my family recently, is turmeric. Turmeric really helps to relax us and relieve anxiety, which is something that we can all use these days. So I like to use, this is Healthy Crunch. It's their new instant golden turmeric latte, and it's so easy to use. All you do is you take 3 tablespoons, mix it into some warm coconut milk or even some hot water, stir and drink. It is delicious, and it's super creamy, and it's made with coconut cream, so it's non-dairy, and it has 50% less sugar than other instant lattes because it has stevia. And something that sounds a little bit crazy, but stick with me for a minute, is lettuce tea. Now, lettuce tea, the reason why it helps to relax us is because it has magnesium, but it also has a chemical called Lactucarium. Now, Lactucarium has those mild sedative properties that help to relax us. So all you do is you take 4 leaves, put it into some boiling water, and let it steep for about 15 minutes. Then you can add a little bit of honey, stir it in with some mint, and then drink it about an hour before bed, and it'll help you relax.
I want to talk a little bit about lifestyle now. Is there anything we can do in addition to foods and beverages that can help us just get that good night's sleep?
Absolutely. So now it might sound counterintuitive, but getting enough sunshine will actually help us sleep better. That's because sunshine helps our bodies make serotonin, which helps to relax us. You can also put a diffuser next to your bed and diffuse some essential oils that will help to relax you. Something that I love to do is to take a warm bath. Something that my brother swears by is reading an old-fashioned paper book. He says within 15 minutes, it is lights out for him. And the other thing you really want to do is make sure you're setting yourself up for sleep success. Turn off all the lights in your room, use a blackout blind if you can, and if you can't, no problem, wear a sleep mask.
Such great tips. There is nothing more important than sleep, I think, and I agree with your brother. A good old-fashioned analog book is a great way to ease your body and your mind into sleep. There's so much happening in the world these days. I started pre-COVID reading my kids the Harry Potter series, and I didn't think the 12-year-old would be into it. But if there's ever a day I'm feeling a little sleepy and I just want to skip reading them a chapter, they're like, "Mommy, please." So this is what we do every night. We read a chapter of Harry Potter, and it's a really long series. So, you know, hopefully I'll still be reading it when they're 20. Thanks, Andrea. Really good information from you today.